Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our October 2018 Getting Ready for the Crochet Along. This month it's the polka dot blanket. So in this video I'm just going to show you what you need to get ready. We're not going to start yet, but you can gather your yarn, find your supplies, and get ready. We are starting next Monday, which is October 1st. Can't wait! So this is what you need. We will be making polka dots. It is a 5-round, 5-round polka dot. I'm using, it's pretty much craft yarn, like Red Heart Super Saver or something like that. It's a 4 thickness, so it's worsted weight, depending on where you are in the world, what yarn you need to use. I'm using a 6mm hook because I just want it to be a bit soft, you know, not stiff. I want it to be a soft little blanket. And we are making, well, this is the yarn that you will need to find. 2 balls of 6 different colors. I'm just using these colors for my polka dots. And then 12 balls, so twice as many of these gray or whatever color you're going to use for your squares and your joining. I just couldn't find a cute enough basket to put it all in, so there's 6, but there should be 12. So 24 balls in total, and I think you'll have some of these colors left over, but that's a good thing. They're so delicious. They're like gumdrops. You see how great those are? Maybe if I go that way. So those are my colors. I can't wait. So, that was heavy. So you're going to start off by making your polka dots, or your 5-round square, 5-round circles. And this will be the first tutorial coming out. It'll be coming out on Monday. If you've already done your circles, you're working ahead because you know you've been waiting for the cowl and I've taken forever to do it, then just make sure your stitch count for the final round is the same as mine. So that's fine. It's just a basic perfect circle, but a tutorial is coming out on Monday. You will need 6 of each of these circles. And then, I love my baskets. And then we will be turning them into squares, which will look like this, and then stitching them together. Together. I'll stitch them together with you. So what we have improved on since this blanket, although you might not notice, is the squares or the circles of this, my old blanket. They're a bit pointy in the corners because I made them into a square and then I made the squares into a blanket. But 2.0 version polka dot blanket, you don't want to be making squares. You want to be making squares with little whooped out winged corners, like little Batman corners on your squares, if you can see that. So it's a bit more out. So then when your blanket stretches and drapes, it gets pulled from the center of your polka dots, and your polka dots will stay polka dots, not kind of morph into polka dots with little corners or slightly oval squares. Maybe you can't see it, I don't know, but it bothers me, so I will be fixing that for this round of polka dot blankets. So that is what you need. That is coming out. You need, just to repeat, these are 100-gram balls. So if you're doing Super Saver, it would be 1 ball of each and 6 balls of the gray, because Super Saver is 200-gram balls, I do believe. But these are 100-gram balls, so say 200 grams of each color in a 4 worsted weight yarn, and 12 100-gram balls of your joining color. Same thickness, same yarn, different color. You can use white, you can use off-white, you could use black. I'm using gray because I love it. I love how this one turned out. So I want to do the same, but with nicer colors because I have nicer colors now. So I'm excited about that. So get everything ready, get the hook that goes with your yarn. If there's a choice between a smaller hook and a larger hook, use the larger hook. It'll be softer for your blanket, and you don't really want like a stiff blanket. So if you have a choice, go for the larger size that they offer you. And that's it. So I will see you Monday when we start making our polka dots. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay hooked. Polka dot blank. Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to everything you need to know for our polka dot. No, that didn't work out. Hi, this is Chris. I have my glasses on. Gee whiz. Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our October 2018 crochet along for the polka dot blanket. Not really, right? Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our crochet along October 2018. This is for the polka dot blanket behind me and under me. So this is how all the things, Lord help me.